I have yet to hear Mr. Binger explain why Joseph Rosenbaum had the right to chase my client. To me, if I didn't know better, I would think he's a whiny defense lawyer. Everybody's out to get me. Everybody's lying. I'm the one who's bringing forth the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, the videos show the truth. The videos show the actions of Joseph Rosenbaum. Balch is lying. Fiedler's lying. Lukowski's lying. Richie is lying. Dale DeBrune, he's really lying because he's imputing my character. Nathan DeBrune, excuse me. Hernandez, he's lying because he's a right-wing journalist. All 6 of them are lying. And then I forgot. Detective Howard, he's lying too because he could see through the videos. He could see that Rosenbaum came out behind the car after my client passed the Duralex.
Finger's missing the sarcasm.
Rush to judgment.
Yeah, I might have framed that.
I said earlier.
Yeah, he could have.
Highly charged atmosphere here in Kenosha.
Still, after all this,
you live here.
You claim Binger's 37 pieces.
They had to do something. They had to charge the white supremacist. Who is the white supremacist? They've never reassessed their case. They've never looked at it. They've never said, "Oh, Dr. Kelly, let's talk about this wound on the hand." What? That means he was touching the barrel, or his hand was over the barrel when it was fired? Well, that means he was pretty close. No, we're not going to reassess. We're going to march forward. We're going to throw it into the hands of 12 people from the city and let them do our work. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a political case.
There you go.
We can take politics out of it as in Democrat and Republican, but the district attorney's office is marching forward with this case because they need somebody to be responsible. They need somebody to put and say, we did it. He's the person who brought terror to Kenosha. Kyle Rittenhouse is not that individual. The rioters, the demonstrators who turned into rioters, those are the individuals who bring us forth. And I ask you to remember, and I'll show you the videos for the last time from me, the anger in the mob that was going on that night. They were not going to be dissuaded from doing things. They were pushing, firing dumpsters, destroying property. And that was, so you're saying Mr. Rittenhouse put out a fire. Yes, it was a small fire. Last time I checked, small fires turn into big fires. So, kind of stupid. Focus. I've talked about him. He spent 20 hours working, framing a video and averaging, having my client somehow miraculously go from a right-handed shooter to a left-handed shooter.
I'm glad he's hitting
Mirror on the truck is the arm. Well, their whole case relies on that one photograph that he spent 20 hours. That's how they're going to prove provocation, a word you never heard in the opening statement. It was my client chased him down and shot him in the back. Oops, can't prove that.
He's got to mention touching the firearm makes
car source burning, car source 1 burning the ground. What's in the foreground?
He should say all of these started as small fires.
Should.
Pictures later on.
He doesn't have a very smooth cadence, though.
There's Kyle.